You're a teacher, but the classroom isn't always your favorite learning environment. That's better. This is where Autodesk Certified User and professional certifications help your students bring their dreams to life. Anybody here? Certification validates their marketable 2D and 3D design skills. It ensures they have the knowledge to pursue additional certifications in their career or at college, and whatever path they choose, it keeps them on the right track. But wait a minute, anything that good has a catch, right? Wrong. Let's have a closer look. To get an ACU or ACP certification, your students need to pass a Certiport authorized exam in one or more of the exam areas. Exams are timed and include both knowledge-based questions like multiple choice and matching questions and performance-based simulation questions. These are real-world tasks that the test taker must complete in the simulated Autodesk application. Questions are unique to each exam and designed to test a student's command of the application. Once they pass, they are registered as an Autodesk Certified User or Professional on Certiport's digital transcript database and receive an ACU or ACP certificate to include on their college application or resume. And getting up and running is easy. Autodesk and Certiport have plenty of resources to help teachers plan their curriculum to include the knowledge and skills students need to pass the exams, including access to online training platforms designed to complement the classroom experience. And delivery of ACU and ACP certification exams is easy and comes with, wait for it, customizable reporting. Yes, that's always a teacher favorite. And the best way for a school to offer the exams is to become a Certiport authorized testing center. To get started, verify that your facility meets the technical standards. Register. It only takes a minute. Purchase the exams and populate your account so you can deliver them. Download and install the exam software on all computers to be used for testing. Then, administer the exams. Certiport has all the exam policies, training materials, and updates easily accessible right there online. So there it is. You're delivering ACU and ACP certifications and now turning student dreams into reality.